What's up? Hope everybody's doing okay. This is a quick video of the setup. It's been like 3 months. I haven't uploaded anything. I've been working hard on the truck. I finished all the wiring to the ECU, to the microscope ECU I installed. I will make another video to do a really quick rundown. This one is just to show you everything is complete. This is the frame of the ECU. I did something quick and simple. Just a fuse box and the ECU on an aluminum plate. Eventually I'm gonna do a video explaining all the kind of problems and how hard was it to install it. Right now I need to tell you guys that this engine that I'm showing right now is blew up. I decided to go test it out with no wastegate and no tuning, and it went up to like 25 psi and it blew up. So I went from Florida all the way to Georgia to pick up a Nissan hardbody just like mine, just to take out engine and transmission and sold the shell. I bought it for $600 and I sold the shell for $300, and you know, basically I got engine and transmission for $300. I got the engine out. Here's the damage. It's pretty bad. You can see we got a little bit of heat there, and that broken piston rod. It drove like 2 minutes from wherever it broke and it arrived to my house like this. Here's the proof that I'm using stock internals for those 300 horsepower. Even make a hole in the block. The crankshaft seems to be good, so I save it just in case. The head, no damage, so I was lucky there. Checking the valves and all that, and everything was good. This is the engine I took out of the other pickup, and from here I'm gonna use I use the crank, the engine block and the crank and the rods. I replace all the crank bearings and all the rod bearings, brand new oil pump, timing chain kit, and I just basically swap everything I had in my other engine to this one. Here's with the head on. I'm not sponsored by Lucas though. I just like to put a little something so it's not dry start. And here I am about to put it back in the truck. So I went and do a little bit of research to find a tuning that works for me, and I found a SR20DET, so it's already turbo. And I changed the configurations to work with this engine, and this is how I got it to crank, and tuned the idle a little bit. Here's the first time turning on the engine. After this, I went to my wife and asked her if she can help me tune it. She can drive it, and I'll be in the laptop making some adjustment, and I got it pretty much ready. The idle's good and it runs pretty good. It's my first time tuning. I tune it at 10 psi. If you guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments. I'll see you later.